Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today, we're going to do a fun movement called Mark Time and Bounce the Ball. If you have that anxious feeling about the week ahead, have a hard time falling asleep Sunday night, and then wake up Monday morning dragging yourself out of bed, then this movement is for you. This simple exercise helps to reduce that feeling of fatigue and revitalizes your body with more physical energy, so your to-do list and obligations don't feel like a huge pile of daunting tasks. Start your week strong. Come try this with me. So with this exercise, you're going to feel a little bit like a marionette, because as one knee comes up, the opposite hand is going to come up almost like it's lifting the knee for you. And as you come up on that hand, you're going to lift up on the toe a little bit. So you're going to be going back and forth on either side. So lifting and down, and lifting and down, and lifting and down, and releasing all the fatigue as you march the time and bounce that ball. So meditative too. And when you've done about 6, you can close. Didn't that feel great? These movements always make me feel really refreshed, and I know they do a lot for my friends and clients. That's why I love sharing them with you. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel for more. See you soon.